We are pleased to show you the 2018 C-Max Hybrid. The Ford C-Max Hybrid provides an upscale interior, quality engine performance, and fuel efficiency. In addition, the C-Max offers passengers a spacious interior cabin and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, driver airbag, front-wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.